In today's video, I'll show you how to get administrator's privilege on Windows 11 laptop or PC. So for this, just go to your search and search for Control Panel. From the best matches, just open up Control Panel. From here, make sure View by Set to Large Icons. And after that, from here, what you need to do is just go inside User Accounts. And from User Accounts, as you can see, I'm already in an account with administrator privileges. So I have to switch to a local account that is just a standard account and does not have the administrator privileges. I'll click on Manage Another Account. As you can see, it will show a list of accounts that you have. Select another local account which is not an administrator. And after that, as you can see, it's not an administrator. And to give it administrator permission, I must set this account to administrator. To do that, I have to click on Change the Account Type. After that, there's two options, the standard and the administrator. The administrator one is the administrator privilege permission one, so just select that. And make sure that you're sure that they can control your PC and they can change any settings and access of files and programs stored on your PC. So just click on Change Account Type. And there you go. The account now is an administrator and has all the administrator privileges. And basically that is it. And that is how to get administrator privileges on Windows 11 laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.